To the following viewers, this video contains some coarse language and may contain some crazy critter called Moby. Viewers have been advised.
Russell. Yeah. Maybe do me a favor. Raw. Oh, look at this. It's penis breath. Oh, penis breath, you. You look. Well, so you're an idiot. You landed in the mess down there. Oh, what the? Oh. Oh. You idiot. You landed in the leaves. It's easy. See, I put it upside down, then did the back first, and then did that. 1, 2, 3. Easy as pie. But first, I need to now. Where's my hammer for Russell's head? That's gonna go. Russell's head's gonna be this. And maybe show. Well, I dance like this. Hey, it's moving. Russell smells.
I do not.
Russell smells.
You're supposed to explain to the peeps what the hell you're doing.
It's easy. We build in the shelf. We showed you the instructions of food. Yeah, just what she said. In a way. But what I am gonna go is crazy. It's a stupid pole.
Ow! Oh, on the head.
Okay, where is? Okay, there we rolling. Oh, come on. There we go. I think. As we can see. And
Yes, you were trimming You were trimming the trees.
Yes.
Or the plants or whatever they are. Oh, I know, they're rose bushes.
Yes. And somebody forgot to put gloves on. Oh, but it doesn't matter, 'cause it's finished now. La 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 la.
So what happened was, he was doing some pruning with my thorn bush, or rose bush, or whatever you call it. And he's got a few little stabs in him from those thorns.
Stabby, 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 like a penis. Stab, stab, stab.
You could say he's been punched by a rose.
No! Wait. Yes! Finally! Now, you better not break on me or else I'm gonna kill somebody. I mean, in a game. Alright.
Hey, Russell.
Oh, baby!
Love the gas, boy. Love the gas.
Baby!
Oh, it smells too.
Oh. Uh-oh. No! Wait. I can fix this thing. Wait. Oh, you. Fuck. Gene. Bastard. What? Him. Ah! Gotcha. Alright. Now. You break on me. I'm gonna be perfect. Forget the super and I'm gonna be everybody. I can just record.
But you're building something. I had to record.
Of course you can. I'm just really
You record yourself building stuff.
I don't know. Junior for okay. Maybe give me more instructions. Right. Okay, come to this. Should be right here. Okay. Once I'm done with this, then I can go crazy. Like I already am. But I have a better plan. I'm not gonna follow the rules, I'm gonna put it on top. And then, actually, if possible. Did I just fill? No, it's just that. Let's let the foot down right there. So we need to keep that nothing on top of that. So we're gonna go like this. We're gonna do the key getting. It's a long time since I've ever been doing a recording for the building thing. Screw. Freaky stupid screw. Because this thing can extend.
Uh-oh, more gas.
Awful.
Oh, that's better.
Oh, B. You. Rusty, Rusty likes to get gassed on. A fucking bitch. That's my key. Oh, it's right there. Ah! That's why it's not going in. I'm an idiot. I didn't realize it wasn't even plugged in. I went in. Okay, take that off. This does tend to take a while. Oops. Welcome to the chopping keys episode. Sugar. One man job. And no, still my biscuits, boy.
That's his sister.
Hey, Luna.
The fatty one.
Oh, you're not fat.
Oh no.
It's gonna look crooked, but I have a... Oh, fuck you. Fudge him. I'd fudge him. I told you to stay up. Welcome back to sadness. No! Stupid extendable. Okay. Hang on.
Hey, Auntie, listen. Oh. Glad it's not me that got farted on.
Oh, yeah. Moby!
Oh. Ow. Ow.
That's what you get for farting on me. I don't want that. Wait.
It's a little crooked. It's not too crooked.
No, because it's the back. It has to go like this. But the thing doesn't understand. Yeah. Okay, I think I have a good idea. Master Finnick has an idea. It's called Stay. I had to do that. Oh. Why did I forget that was there? Oh, my head.
If I had tape and some texture, I'd write, "Don't hit head." Or I'd just draw a little target symbol and then you can bang your head there as much times as you want.
Because I just kicked you to
Ow, ow. Ugh.
Okay, that is good. Now.
Rah, 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 fatty.
I'm right next to you, still you.
No. No. Ah. Will those two get a room already?
You get a room. Okay, maybe if I move that alone for a second, maybe my plan will actually work. Except for that pirate's is always gonna fall. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, well, there we go. I'm not gonna touch it.
It's Russell Pop proof.
Well, yeah, because you don't want to have anything heavy. So that gets on mine. Oh, shoot.
Sauce bottles will probably sit up there.
It's got a home already.
No, something's gonna sit up there.
Yeah. It's called. Wait. Ooh. I'm gonna put a bird. As long as this. Oh, how am I gonna do this? Actually, no, I'm gonna keep it that I know. Oh, I hope my plan doesn't backfire on me. Hope that doesn't backfire on me. I guess I have a plan. Wait.
There's your problem.
Yes, no, it's because that thing always breaks on me, that's why. Oh, you. Come on, stay. There, please. Okay. These things are always a problem, that's why.
It's tight now.
You think? No. The bottom one always has this situation. That's why. But I have got a light.
I guess we're back to base 1.
No, I am not.
Base 2?
Luna doing her son over there. Oh, but nephew over there.
Well, she can do what she wants to Moby. He kind of deserved it by calling her fat anyways.
Oh, come on. Alright. So that. And then this. Are you flipping?
Hey, Auntie Luna, listen.
Oh, you.
Oh! Yeah, I'm not showing that again. Let's just roll the clip for the building.
I don't know.
Oh, it smells too. You. Oh, no.
You two quitted over there.
Go to your rooms. You go to your room. I'm trying to film here and you're interrupting. Yeah.
I see you. I see it. See the problem. Okay, what's my key? I see you. Oh, you think you're gonna be losing? Oh, frip.
Almost. Almost. Oops. There it goes. There it goes.
Okay. I'm gonna have to be on money for this part. For everybody likes watching this guy go crazy. Yeah. Okay. Stay. Oh wait.
Well, that part there's trying to escape again.
Well, it's tight. Now I just gotta... There we go.
Yeah, Auntie knows about tightness.
Oh, shush up.
Soon as the weight gains, things start to get tight on her.
Will you?
Ah! Ah! Ow! Ow!
Oh, you flipping... Every time I do this bloody pole thing, let's go one way. Alright. Oh, man. Okay. Now will you? Alright. Give me a one. Trust to do shifting. This is making me go crazy.
But you're already going crazy.
Because of the snooze making me go crazy. Okay. I knew it. Now this plane better work. This plan little. Luna, this is your fault.
Probably a screw for that corner.
There is sure side of the hate too. Yeah. Oh, it is.
So it doesn't fall apart.
Yeah. Let's hope this plan of mine this time around doesn't fail. Oh, my name is Moby, and I'm gonna get wet by my auntie if I kill her away. Fudge it, let's go fudging in the world today. My name is La La La, and I'm gonna La La La. Hey, La La La, will you? La La La, stop moving the bloody thing. La La La, you. Nah. She's just for something. You. Yeah. Okay, I think that's alright. Let's now. Alright. Even though it's supposed to do this, I'm supposed to have the top. But who gives a shit? Hey, poops. I guess I'm gonna go like this.
I smell London, I see France, I smell Luna's great white pants.
Alright, you.
Ah! 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 Big ape on the loose!
You stupid bum.
No.
Ah, room.
That's right. Go to your rooms. Wherever that is. That was loud.
Yes. Well, that's because I'm gonna go have it like this. Ah! It's just
Guess what we're back to? Doing that again.
There we go. Done. I'm not putting the stupid top parts in. Same room. They keep them. Beep, 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 beep. There we go. Okay. Muscles tired.
Well, I guess that's the end of this adventure. If it's gonna stay like that.
Okay. Let's see. There is dust on the back. No.
Oh well.
There is always enough of building thing to do. Especially when it's at mum and dad's to be picked up. Okay. Now, where is my code? That's right there. We can go plug that in there. Right here. My arm to you segue.
What the again? They're back up here again. Stop calling me a whale.
Oh!
Take this.
Oh!
You
Oh!
milkman.
I'm not a.
I say you're a milkman.
I say you're both crazy.
I say those two are grounded.
Oh, you.